guys. So I didn't do like a New Year's vlog, vlog that day. I did vlog that day, but not that much. Stefan, we're outside riding our bikes. Don't go too close to the street. So I'll just do a little recap. It was a crazy weekend. If some of y'all follow the Instagram, you see Tonio got into my makeup. That is my concealer and color corrector, all on his face and hair. How did he get into it? I don't know. Stop! No, because you don't need to touch nothing. Come here. So this is what he was in. My NYX concealer and color corrector. So yeah, that happened. That was during that weekend. And they were such big boys during their haircut. This is serious business for him. Can't believe how good he's been. And then we went to church. We always go to church on New Year's Eve. Like, it's a tradition that won't change. Because I feel like we just have a better year. Not necessarily a better year. That doesn't mean, you know, when you go to church on New Year's Eve, it doesn't necessarily mean that bad things are not going to happen. It just really means, you know, you're going to go into the year with a God perspective on things. The bad things that do happen, you're going to have a better, you know, will or power or army, or I don't know how to say it, but you're just going to have a better way to deal with it. So that's what we did. Before that, we went to eat. This is my last, like, bad meal. Like, well, actually, it was only 500 calories. I got the Skinnylicious enchiladas with, like, this salad and vinaigrette thing. So it wasn't too bad, but not on my meal plan. So this is my last meal that, you know, won't be on my meal plan. I get a steak. Take the steak. And so, yeah, here we are now. Happy 2019. Big things to come. Are y'all performing? Whoa. What are you doing?
Jump.
Oh, Lord.
Jump. No, jump.
You gotta trust him.
Come on.
You trust Daddy?
Jump.
This is a life lesson. It's like when God tells you to take a leap of faith.
Jump.
Go ahead and jump, Stefan.
Come on.
You're scared. Ooh, goodness.
Come on, jump.
Because you're so scared.
Jump.
If you just leap, there you go. Good job. Say good job, brother.
You gotta jump. Jump.
Leap. Jump.
You gotta jump.
Yay. You gonna try to do it? No jump. And dangerous, Daddy. Who's gonna play football and who's gonna run track? Alright. No.
Go.
Go. Go. Come on. Stefan, why you run like that? Ready, set, go. Go, Stefan, go. Go. Oh, Lord. Stefan, this your chance. Go. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna go? Come on, Stefan. Come on, Tony. Come on. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Yay. Stefan wins. Yay. second place. But yeah, so what do y'all think about the R.Kelly special that went on? Because, ooh, it really like messed with my spirit. I had trouble sleeping. Not trouble sleeping, but going to sleep because my spirit was so wrestled. It really reminded me about when like we were younger and we used to go to the mall, like me and my friends, and we used to up our age. Like we'd be 14 but saying we 16 as if that was any better. To men that were like 24 and they would still ask for our number. And of course being teenagers, you don't think anything of it. Like you like, oh, I got an older man's attention, when it's like, that man is disgusting. Like, why is this 24-year-old wanting a 16-year-old's attention? And then it's like, you 14, really? So it's just, I don't know. It really, like, wrestled my spirit. And then a lot of people that was on social media, it go to my thing. A lot of people on social media that were, like, defending him. I'm like, I can be up all night arguing with these folks, but I'm not. And Duran asked me, what would I think if they came home with an older woman? Like, now you talking about if they were legal or if they were like young, like illegal, and came home.
Oh, they was illegal.
If they were illegal and came home with an older woman.
They was 16, 15, and she was 20.
I call the police. First of all, I'll fight her. I'll fight her before I call the police. Then I give her a counseling session after I done whooped her tail to figure out what is wrong with you to where you want a girl. To where you want a 16-year-old boy. But yeah, that happened. Because I didn't like dating guys my age. I would be completely honest. I was always the freshman dating the senior or whatever the case was. I was just very mature, you know, for my age. What are you trying to give me?
Put it down.
No. See, that's what you need to do. When you put stuff in your mouth and you find out it's nasty, you spit it out. I don't know though. What did y'all think? I just... It was disturbing. I honestly cannot listen to an R.Kelly song now and like actually enjoy it. Knowing that the songs that he wrote were actually about someone, and then what he was doing, like the motivation behind the song. How can you really listen to the song? I can't. If y'all choose to, okay, but me, my psyche, it's gonna bother me. I need to take down these Christmas decorations, but since Christmas, we've decided no more markers. No more. And it won't come out. I already washed it. It won't come out. So I put the markers up along with the Play-Doh. Now with the markers, I let them play with it in their little playroom at their little table, and they can't leave that table. So I don't leave the room with the markers. Otherwise, this house would be a whole Picasso, because they drew on the door on Christmas, they've drawn on my couch, they've drawn on that, but that washed off. So yeah, the markers will stay put until maybe like 3. Well, the Play-Doh. The Play-Doh is definitely going to stay put for a long time. The markers will stay up until, you know, we are around watching them, looking at what they're doing. Otherwise, no. So it is that time of year again. Meal prep season. I haven't meal prepped all fall, winter. I did like a little mini meal prep, but it was like just so I could have lunch. So now, since I'm starting my weight loss journey all over again, this time last year, I was working on losing weight. Hey, move. And I went from 140, I think the lowest I got with my meal prep was 127. And that was like by summer. But I stayed at 127 for a while until the fall hit. You know, I'm doing Duran's meal prep too. So he's cleaning up the house and I'm doing his meal prep. that was our arrangement. Teamwork, right? So this seasoning is buffalo sauce with some Mrs. Dash. Y'all know I use Mrs. Dash since it is low carbs. Mrs. Dash onion and herbs, some garlic powder, and some ranch seasoning since, you know, buffalo sauce. Tonio, let me hear a tiger. Let me hear a tiger. How does a tiger sound? Ooh wee! What does a frog sound like? Ribbit, and it hops like that? Okay. What does a kangaroo do? Kangaroo limping. So Deron and I are a little sleep deprived today, y'all. Like, they woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning, like they were newborns or something. Woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and got into our bed. Tonio is like the worst sleeper in the world, so he flip-flopped all around and kept me and Deron up. I don't know what made them get up. So we are a little sleep deprived. We said we are going to make it a conscious effort to go to bed at 8 o'clock today. Like, no matter what. Even if we're not sleepy, we're going to get in the bed at 8 and just chill. We're taking them to Gigi's. She's going to watch them Monday and Tuesday. And, you know, we're just going to try to catch up on some rest. Really changing the way we do stuff. Like, you know, like if you're tired, rest. Don't complain about being tired. Rest. Rearrange some stuff in your schedule and get the rest you need. Because you may discover that it's not that. You think, oh God, I'm so tired, and if I could just rest, life would be better. And then you find out it has nothing to do with rest, and it's actually some other stuff that you need to deal with. So whatever it is you think that needs to be addressed, address it. So we think we are tired. We think we are sleep deprived. So we are going to make sure we get in the bed at 8, watch TV until we fall asleep. So I have turned it over. They say you know something is done when it starts sticking to the grill. I don't know about that, because I know that ain't done. But this is gonna be good. Tonio, get away from that! What in the world? You breaking the house? Put it down! Y'all hear Stefan talking about what he do? What? No, he was touching something over there and he shouldn't be. Oh. Yeah, I don't want him doing that. So tell him no. No. Alright, so about to have my last meal, which is ground beef and some spinach. Gonna warm that up and make me some Breathe Easy tea. I started drinking this tea when I was really sick, and I just still continue to drink it. It's a respiratory health tea, so it has eucalyptus in it. It's kind of like a peppermint tea, but not fully peppermint. Like peppermint tea is strong, you know, but this is like a little mixture of kind of everything, and I just still drink it like at night. It doesn't have caffeine in it, so I like drinking tea now. Yeah, I'm turning into that person. I like drinking tea now. I never thought I would get into drinking hot tea. And then the way I sweeten my tea. Agave. Now, agave has a lot of carbs in it, just so y'all know, so you can't go crazy with it, but it's so good. I like it instead of honey. So about to make this with my spinach and get in the bed, because I'm gonna wake up to go to the gym at 4 in the morning, and just starting 2019 off right. So I look forward to the things I'm gonna do in 2019, the direction with the vlog. I ain't going too far. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So, I mean, I'm gonna give y'all more of what you want, I guess you can say. So I'm excited about doing that, having the resources to do that and the time, because I'm managing my time a lot better in 2019. So I'm just excited about that. Thank y'all for watching this vlog. Y'all, I miss my babies. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. Like, I'm even whispering, thinking they're asleep, and they're not. So, they're not here. But I miss them so much, and I cannot wait to see them again. But I'll holla at y'all in the next vlog. It's been real. Happy 2019 again. Happy New Year's.